Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Ravindra Mehta and I am the Chief of Chest Medicine and ICU Medicine at Apollo Hospitals in Jayanagar, Bangalore. Now we're talking on the occasion of World Sepsis Day 2020, which in the background of the COVID pandemic assumes a lot of importance. A sepsis is a technical term for bad infection, really bad infection, which means that infection which didn't stay commonly as we know it but spread through the whole body. So to put it in simple terms, if I get a throat infection, if I get a urine infection, simple antibiotics fix it, it's not a problem. But if this turns into a pneumonia or a kidney infection and spreads to the whole body, then it has the ability to, like the COVID storm, to basically take over organs, have multiple issues and can be life-threatening. What is the importance of all this? Well, turns out sepsis affects people of all ages, from the youngest child to the most elderly person. It can spare nobody. Second is, it is one of the largest killers of people worldwide and is one of the most common disorders going through age, sex, countries worldwide. We in India also see a lot of infection, lot of sepsis owing to a large population and the way our crowding, our healthcare and our overall dynamics are. So what do we need to know about sepsis as a layperson? A, I need to know such a thing exists. 2, I need to know that infection must be treated aggressively. I also need to know that if this infection is spreading, I will not sit at home, because in the case of sepsis, delay is death and time is life. So in sepsis, the biggest thing is get treatment early and nip the problem in the bud. We were told years ago as children, a stitch in time saves 9, and this is more true for sepsis than anything else. So the 3 components of this particular disease are understand it, move quickly, reach the right center, have a center or a hospital which is geared up towards trying to take care of you. And the good part is that if all this is done, then we have a very high chance of making it alive despite a very difficult healthcare problem. What is the evolution of this entity called sepsis? In the last 50 years, the first 30 years were all over how to treat it. But in the last 20 years, a lot of advancements have come, which include on the general front early detection, massive awareness, reach a healthcare facility. And once you reach a good healthcare facility, more and more knowledge and information has come to give the right antibiotics, get rid of the cause of the sepsis, give good right hospital care and ICU care, and do all these things as a team, as a multidisciplinary team, to try and get rid of this infection and give life back. So I'll leave you with this message. Let's all understand this. Let this day be a reminder for all of us. Let's be aware of this. Let's keep a keen eye on this. Let's be a champion of sepsis, and let's understand that we will not delay any further, because delay is death and time is life. Have a wonderful day.